Warning, I'm coming with a new video. Warning, I'm coming with a new video. I recommend you to watch it until the end. I repeat, I recommend you to watch it until the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we have a new art challenge, designation character challenge. In today's video we're having a full guys, a limited designation. So in this video you have to design full guys characters and unique full guys characters to represent yourself. I think I have done a pretty good job with them. I have drawn 3 characters, myself, a pencil, Fane from the Adventure Time. So first of all, a pencil to represent my hobby, drawing, Fane from the Adventure Time to represent how much I love cartoon and how much I watch cartoon throughout the day. I love to watch cartoon, either from Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network, or any channel. I love to watch cartoon. Okay, never mind. So I feel I've done a pretty good job. I think I have heard about Full Guys, whereby you play with other players all around the world to compete to get the first, and I feel looks pretty nice. Yeah. It's not free, so you have to buy the game, and it's only available in laptops, PCs, and PlayStations. Okay, like just only. I've seen a lot of gamers playing it, and I feel it's a cute game because the character looks so cute. Okay, I have taken a lot of time to draw this, actually, because I want to remake it to the blog, of course, but I feel like the digital result looks very nice, and I hope you're ready for the new section on my channel. After this video, I think tomorrow, the new section in my channel. I won't tell you. Well, okay. So yeah, if you have any idea you want me to draw, or any game or anything, comment down in the comments below, and I will do my best to draw it. Trust me. If you have any idea or anything to want me to draw or to design, tell me, or any challenge, tell me in the comments below. Okay? So you think the result looks awesome, and actually you see how thick the middle line in the pencil is. Okay, because like it's normal, it's fixed wrapper section, whereby the line looks uncomfortable, then you make it thicker to hide everything. So it's a fixed wrapper section. Okay, so let us jump to the coloring, please. 1, 2, 3. Let us see. Well, this is the final results. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye.